Hello students, in this lecture I'll be discussing about the introduction to programming of microprocessors. So as we know, to perform a particular task through a computer, the programmer prepares a sequence of instructions called a program. Just like here, I've shown a program where I'm going to add two numbers that are placed in two memory locations 2501 and 2501 and 2502, and the result is going to be placed in the memory location 2503. So this is a program that I have written. So this program is consisting of series of instructions. Now whenever I'm writing a program, that program will get stored in RAM. When I'm entering that program will get stored in the random access memory. Now what happens, how the whole program get executed? The CPU takes one instruction at a time, that is one instruction of the program at a time from the RAM, and executes it. In this way, it executes all the instructions of the program one by one to produce the desired result. Now, as we know that any digital system like computer, it uses binary digits for its operation and understands information composed of only zeros and ones. Hence, the instructions are coded and stored in the memory in the form of zeros and ones. A program written in the form of zeros and ones is called a machine language program. So as I've already told you, in this slide I have written a machine language program that is for adding of two numbers placed in two memory locations 2501 and 2502, and the result is placed in the memory location 2503. So this is the machine language program written in the form of zeros and ones. So whenever I'm going to enter the program into the computer, so I have to enter the zeros and ones, and for every instruction, that is for every machine code is representing an instruction. So here for every machine code I have explained what does this machine code means. So for every instruction there is a machine code. So any program that is written in the form of machine code, that is in the form of zeros and ones, is machine language program. Now it is very difficult for the programmer to write a program in the form of machine codes. So other demerits are like it is very difficult to understand or debug a program, since each bit of the program has to be entered individually. The entry of the program is very slow. Programs are long. The machine language programs are long. Program writing is difficult and tiresome, and the chances of careless errors in writing the program are there. So what happens now, in order to facilitate the programmer, machine codes can be written in hexadecimal system. So in the previous, both the programs are same. Both the programs are for addition of two numbers placed in two memory locations. Both the programs are same. The first program is in the form of binary system, machine language program in the form of binary system, and the second program is in the form of hexadecimal system. So to facilitate programmer machine codes, so these machine codes can be written in the form of hexadecimal system. The program can easily be written in hexadecimal system compared to binary system. The mistake can easily be detected, and As we know, as the microcomputer understands the program only in binary system, the program written in this hexadecimal system is converted into binary system. So all microprocessor kits have provisions for such conversion. So the language in which a computer works, both are the machine language program. One is in binary form and other is in hexadecimal form. So the language in which a computer works is called object or machine language, and the machine codes are also called object codes. So this machine language is a low level language. So what I have done, in order to remove the error or in order to minimize the error, this binary program I have converted it into hexadecimal program, the same program. But this hexadecimal system for writing the program is also not convenient for the programmer. The writing of program in machine language, that is in whether it is in binary form or it is in hexadecimal form, is very difficult, tiresome, boring and error prone. Hence, to facilitate programmers, easily understandable languages have been developed. Assembly language is one of them. A programmer can easily write a program in alphanumeric symbols instead of zeros and ones. Like in the binary system also we have used zeros and ones. In the hexadecimal system also we have used the numbers. So rather than writing the program in the form of numbers, we can also use alphanumeric symbols. Meaningful and easily rememberable symbols are chosen for this purpose. Examples are ADD for addition, SUB for subtraction, CMP for comparison, etc. So such symbols are called mnemonics. A program written in mnemonics is known as assembly language program. So all the programs that have shown in this presentation, whether it is the binary, whether the program written in this binary form or the program written in this hexadecimal form or the program written in assembly language, all the three programs are the same, that is addition of two numbers located in two memory locations 2501 and 2502, and the result is to be stored in 2503. So all the three programs written in different languages, they are the same. So all I want to say is that to minimize the error we are doing this. So assembly language program, as I've already told you, what we are doing, we are, rather than using zeros or ones or just numbers, we are writing the program in the form of mnemonics. Like these are the mnemonics. As I've told you, like ADD is for addition, MOV is for shifting, like in this way. So any program that is written in the form of mnemonics is assembly language program. Now, the writing of a program in assembly language is much easier and faster as compared to the writing of a program in machine language. Both assembly language and machine language are microprocessor specific, and a microprocessor specific language is known as a low level language. So I'll continue in the next lecture. I'm ending this lecture here. We'll continue with the assembly language program, that is how to write the program. I'll continue in the next lecture.